Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is day 2 of my collab with Beth Ramsden. And what we're doing is 5 days of Christmas, and it's like a doll crafters 5 days. Yesterday we did 1 crochet hook, and today we are doing 2 knitting needles. And I am brand new to knitting. I mean, brand new. All right, here I am going along knitting. It was going to be a scarf. Now I'm looking at it thinking, oh my God, how did it get so fat? Maybe it's going to be a pillow. We'll see in the end. Oh my God, how do I now have 16 stitches? Where am I getting the extra ones? I'm being so careful. Look, I think I made a flag.
Christmas flag.
Okay, so this is where I am with my knitted scarf. Oops. I'm going to have to learn to knit, but right now my wrists are saying, okay, that's enough. So I have an idea. I'm going to take this off of here, and my little Blythe dolls could use some granny fancy pants. I mean, these would really be fancy for a granny. So I'm gonna make some little knickers, bloomers, yeah, they're more like bloomers, for my little Blythe doll. I just learned to knit. First thing I ever did, second thing I ever did. I'm doing this with a Yorkshire Terrier on my lap and a puppy tugging at everything. This was my first attempt at a scarf. I'm not sure. It kind of got messed up. I got a little frustrated and I thought, well, if I had to, I could make some underoos out of this. Underbloomers, I don't even know what you would call them, but I hung on to it. My second attempt went okay, and I did not add tassels because I'm not a big tassels kind of person. Some people can do them pretty and some people can't, and I was just thankful to have anything made with my 2 knitting needles. And this is her little scarf shawl. More of a shawl than a scarf, and she is going to need some shoes. Thank you, Beth. I really am having fun, and I'm really glad I learned to knit. It is one of those things I kept putting off. It isn't that hard. It just takes concentration and time. 2 things I really don't have right now, but we made it work and I'm glad I did. Please be sure to visit Beth's channel. She also knitted something today and I can't wait to see. Who knows with Beth? Probably a complete outfit with a hat and stockings and everything. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please come back tomorrow for 3 inches of fabric. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.